Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share just the pattern for making this very cute amigurumi doll. I wanted to share the video, but my camera wasn't working, so I decided to share the pattern instead. I hope it will be helpful to you. And so in the pattern that I'm going to share, the clothes color and the skin color are different, and the shoes too. So the skin color is kind of pink, and the dress is purple, and the hair color is yellow in the pattern that I'm going to share here in the video. And the shoes too are of different color, but here I decided to change the color a little bit. And the hair for the doll, also I decided to do this kind of stitching. You stick the yarn inside the stitches and pull them and tie them through. I haven't finished working on the hair yet, so I'm still working on adding more hair. So you can add as much as you want, if you want as much as you want, according to your preference. And for my doll eyes, I decided to embroider this time instead of buying the doll eyes, and they turned out pretty cute. And I embroidered the mouth too, and the nose too. So anyway, and also the design for the dress on the pattern that I'm going to share is a little bit different. So this one I decided to do it a little bit shorter, and a little bit like ballerina style or princess style, if I could say, and it turned out pretty cute. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the pattern. So this is how it looks at the back. I hope you enjoy the pattern that I'm going to share. So click at the end of the video to see the pattern, and if you have any questions about the pattern, you can comment below, and I'm going to answer all your questions. So you can check the rest of my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe yet, because I'll be making more interesting videos to come. And if you're wondering the type of yarn that I used this mochila yarn. I bought it at an online store, so you can use whatever kind of yarn you want according to your preference. And the hook, I used the 2.25 millimeters hook, and as you can see, it doesn't leave a lot of holes in the amigurumi doll, and it makes it look very, very neat. So anyway, enjoy your pattern, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.